So yesterday we have created account determination, screen layout rules. So DRAU, BULA, and so like this screen layout rules we have created yesterday. And after creation of screen layout rules, define number range interval. This number range interval is going to be used for the purpose of creating asset master records. For each and every asset master record, we need to have a number. For that purpose, we need to create it. And we have created 1 to 1000, 1001 to 2000, 2001 to 3000, and 8001 to 9000. This I'm going to use it for the purpose of AUC. And 1, 2, 3. And when you do practice, you take 04, 05, 06, because first number range I want to use for land. This is for buildings. This is for plant and machinery. Like that, when you create vehicles, furniture and fixtures, for that also you can create. And AUC is not a complete asset. That's why I'm just giving the last number range for this. Okay. And then once we complete, now we need to create asset class. What is meant by asset class? 1 minute. So if you remember,
we are recording it, no?
Yeah, doing it. So here what we have done, see, this is account determination that we have already created. Then asset class we are going to create now, right? So for land, I can say leasehold and freehold. Buildings, admin, factory, guest house, like this. Plant and machinery, heavy plant and machinery, non-heavy plant and machinery. So this is what now I'm going to create, right? And certain some notes I have given, certain rules and other things, right? Here asset class is defined with reference account determination, right? Let us see this. So I'm going to define asset class. So asset class, leasehold land, freehold land, admin, factory, guest house, like this. These are the asset classes I'm going to define. Right? Go to new entries, and even here system accepts only 8 digits. So leasehold land. Leasehold land means land taken on lease. So since we are going to take the lease for say 50 years, 100 years, like that, so we have to show leasehold land in our books of accounts. So this is leasehold land, say DRLB. Asset class, what I do is DRLB, leasehold land. I'm using abbreviation. In real scenario, of course, we use numbers. Here we use numbers. Account determination. So what is meant by account determination? See, leasehold land is asset class. For this, land is account determination. Similarly, for here, for Dr. D Labs leasehold land, we have already created account determination. That account determination I need to link up here. See, land, DRLB land. Screen layout rule. So we have created screen layout rule. DR, right, Dr. D Labs, screen layout rule for land. Number range. So I'm assigning number range 01. Right, the number range whatever we have created. So this is asset class for land, this one, leasehold land. Similarly, freehold land also have to create. click on next entry. Right, freehold land, DRLB. Freehold land means land on which no lease is there, land belongs to us. So DRLB, freehold land. Same, even account determination for this land only. Screen layout rule, same screen layout rule. Number range, same number range. And here no AUC, because for asset under construction we use line item settlement. For all other assets, what I do, I take. One more thing is you can use even inventory data. So inventory data means asset is included in the inventory. Generally for furniture, fixtures, etc. we use this. Okay, let us plant and machinery, we use this one. Next button. So we have created, see, two asset classes. Now buildings is account determination. For that asset class is admin building, factory building, guest house, like this. So I am creating admin building. Right, admin building, DRLB. DRLB admin building. For this account determination is DRLB building. See, DRLB building. And screen layout rule we have created DRBU building. And number range 02. Even drill down you will get it, of course. See, this is the company code. See, DRLB 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to set to here for a building. Right. Next button, admin building, then factory building. Factory buildings, DRLB. Here DRLB FABU, factory building. But account determination is same, DRL building. Screen layout same, number range same I am using. For total account determination level I am using the number range. Right. Next, factory building, admin building. Right. So leasehold land, freehold land. Okay, guest house I am leaving it, I am not creating. 2 are sufficient. Next, plant and machinery. So heavy plant and machinery, non-heavy plant and machinery. So heavy plant and machinery, DRLB. DRLB heavy plant and machinery. Account determination, DRLB plant and machinery. Screen layout rule, plant and machinery. Number range I am using 03. Right, including the asset plant and machinery. Next, non-heavy plant and machinery. Non-heavy plant and machinery. So DRLB non-heavy plant and machinery. right? So but I'm telling you, as I told you, we use generally numbers here, but here for the purpose of our convenience I'm using the abbreviations. Account determination. So plant and machinery, screen layout rule, right? Next, AUC for asset under construction. Asset under construction, DRLB, AUC, DRLB, AUC, asset under construction. Account determination, DRLB, AUC. Screen layout rule also we have created, DRAU. Number range 0, 9, including the yes. Okay, right? So these are the 7 asset classes we have created. Right? All these are all asset classes. Admin building, factory building, freehold land, leasehold land, heavy plant and machinery, non-heavy plant and machinery, and this is AUC. Right? Come back. See, in this fellow created asset class 1000, 1010, 1100, 2000 like this. Even in real scenario, okay, depending upon the client requirement, we use alphanumeric number as per our convenience, we'll create it. So asset class we have created. Specify chart of depreciation, country specific functions. Right. So next what we need to do is, next we have to create GL accounts. Then we have to create the GL accounts and integrate the same with asset accounting. So here so we have to plan for our GL accounts. So what are the GL accounts to be used? So my plan of using GL accounts is, these are the GL accounts we are going to create. So this already I have given all these things in your notes also. Let me show you. Asset accounting. Right, this table is also there. See, this is the configuration steps. So we have done all these things. Now we are going to create GL account. That I think that is the 9th or 10th step. So this is asset classes creation. 8, define asset class. So number 9, these are the GL accounts. So better you create GL account for all. But for me, I have created land, building, plant and machinery. So I'm taking only these 3, right? Land, building and plant and machinery. Now what GL accounts we require? We require number 1, GL account for land, building, plant and machinery. So we have already created account determination for this, right? Here with same account determination name, I'm using GL account. The total land, whatever we acquire, we sell or anything, debit or credit should go to this GL account, right? So for land, this one, buildings, this, plant and machinery like this. Next, accumulated depreciation. Now, what is meant by accumulated depreciation? Why should we accumulate? Means the accounting entry for the purpose of depreciation is that depreciation account data to accumulated depreciation. Generally, people say that depreciation account data to asset. Right? There is a general mistake done by several people is that depreciation account data to asset, but it is not like that. We need to maintain accumulated depreciation in the books of accounts. Accumulated depreciation is nothing but the depreciation which is accumulated over a period of years. So in the balance sheet also the presentation should be the total historical value of the asset less depreciation up to last year, add depreciation in the current year, then total we reduce it and we will show the value in the balance sheet. So for that purpose we need to accumulate the depreciation and we have to show the same, right, in the books of accounts. Right. Now so we do not have any depreciation on land, right? Land is only appreciation, no depreciation. So that's why no depreciation. No accumulated depreciation, nor depreciation. Buildings, yes, this is the GL account I'm going to create. And GL account for assets, land, building, etc., they are the fixed assets. So that's why if you observe our asset account, the account group, see fixed assets. Fixed assets start with 2 lakhs 1 to 2 lakhs 100. So that's why I'm picking up asset numbers from here, right? So 2 lakhs 1. I have to create now GL account for all these things. So what I will do, I'll create GL account. For these accounts, then AUC also I'll create, right? 2 lakhs 1. So fixed asset. I'll create one more session. Right, we know that FS00 is a GL account. Two lakhs 1 for our company code DRLB. Click on create. So here GL account is nothing but there is a recon account. Why recon account? I'll tell you later. So here it is fixed assets. This is balance sheet account, right? There is no doubt for this. Fixed asset is balance sheet account because assets are represented in the balance sheet. Assets and liabilities both. So here I'll take land. Not only balances. Here we have to take assets. Because here asset is a recon account. So you know what is meant by recon account. And sundry debtors, sundry creditors, all those things are recon accounts. So recon accounts are those accounts to which the accounting entry is posted only through subledger. Now what is the subledger here? Subledger is nothing but asset master card. So asset master card, we have an asset explorer. So that asset accounting will be there for each and every asset, right? That will be the recon. There is a subledger account. If you post to that account, automatically it will be posted to GL account. But anyhow, that we'll see later. So this is the recon account. We take 18 asset number. Sorting out, sort key is 018 through asset number. Okay, line item display. And here you can take G067 because it's a recon account. Right? So for creating the fixed assets, name of the asset, and here the crux is this, it should be a recon account. Anyhow, this is same, and this is asset number wise we are going to sort out in the GL account. And here G067 because this is a reconciliation account. Even we can use in another one also. Asset account, asset area clearing accounts. Okay, we will leave it. Right, save it. So we have created land. Whether leasehold or freehold, both will be posted to this. Now, so 2 lakhs 1. Just I am leaving some numbers and taking 2 lakhs 10 for buildings. In future, I don't know, I want to use it. That's why I am just leaving some gap. I'll take with template 2 lakhs 1. Company code DRLB. Right. So for that, the description is right. This is GL account for buildings. Buildings. Remember that this is GL account. Same way. Right, that's why just everything got copied. So buildings, then plant and machinery. Right. Plant and machinery. Save it. Right, up to here. So when you create furniture and fixtures, everything you can create. Then coming to AUC also, I'll create 2 lakhs 90. Here one thing I forgot. When we have created the asset class, define asset class. For AUC there will be, we need to check line item settlement. This is very important. It is not, no AUC should not be checked. It is line item settlement. Right, this I'll tell you when we go for the AUC and AUC creation. Right, this we'll see in controlling. So 90 Yeah, 90 AUC, right. All right. Then coming to, first we have created this class, this asset, GL account. Then accumulated depreciation. So no accumulated depreciation on land, no accumulated depreciation on buildings. Right, accumulated depreciation on buildings. Accumulated depreciation, balance sheet account. Accumulated depreciation on buildings. Accumulated depreciation on buildings. Same way, this also recon account assets, because we are going to create depreciation for each and every asset. Accumulated depreciation. Line item display, same 018 G067. Right. And plant and machinery. On buildings we have created this. Plant and machinery 1,02,20. Here, how I got these numbers? See, when you are going through the account group, see accumulated depreciation. Advance, where it is accumulated depreciation. So 1,02,001 to 1,03,000. But here 1,02,001 I have not taken, 1,02,10 I have taken, because 201 there is no accumulated depreciation on land. That's why that number also, for the sake of symmetry, I left it. Right. So now 100,210 we have created. Right. Then coming to 100,220. Create with template. Now accumulated depreciation on plant and machinery. Accumulated depreciation on plant and machinery. So whenever we create GL account with template, don't forget to change the narration. That is text part. Right. Here we have created these two, and no depreciation on accumulated. Right. Next, depreciation. So difference between depreciation and accumulated depreciation, I think if you are a BCom graduate, I think you know about it. So accumulated depreciation is nothing but liability for us, and there's a balance sheet account. But depreciation account is nothing but an expenditure. Right? Every asset is subjected to depreciation as per the rates that are specified in the respective countries' Companies Act. So here what I'm going to do, let's create 40710. In the same way, just you observe 40701 onwards, depreciation will be commenced. But since the first one is not there, so 40710, 100,210, 2,10, like that, I'm just maintaining some symmetry. This is depreciation on buildings. Starting with 4 means expenditure. Depreciation, P&L account. So I say depreciation on buildings. So here, so this is expenditure account, right? P&L account. That's why I did not change it. Just line item display. Sort you can take same. That is asset number wise. See, asset number wise sorted out in the GL account for that purpose. And here G001, right? This is the 20. What is 20? This is 20. Depreciation on plant and machinery. So this is 400, 710. So this is depreciation on plant and machinery. Save it. Alright. So what we have done, we have created land, buildings, plant and machinery. Right. And for this accumulated depreciation and ordinary depreciation, all these things we have created. Now apart from that, we are going to create 4 more accounts. Right. That is nothing but sale of asset account. What is meant by sale of asset? The importance of this account you'll come to know only when we execute the sale of asset account, then you'll understand that the purpose of sale of asset is, see, whenever we are going to sell the asset, bank account data or customer account data to asset account, because asset is going out, and yeah. But here, what is the purpose of sale of asset account? It has got some significance. So when we retire the asset, when we come to the retirement of asset, then I'll let you know. But we have to create one sale of asset account. This is just like I'm taking on income side, but other income I'm taking here. If you observe here, other income 300 101, 300 101. So sale of asset account. Three hundred 101 we have already. Quantity rebate we have. Okay, other income we have created. 300 101. What about 300 102? Also I think we have created. Yeah, CAD discount. So what we'll do is 310 311. So here also what we do is sale of asset account 300 101 310. So even I'm changing a little here. 300 101 110 I'll make it. Three hundred 110, right? 300 110, and this is 300 111. Okay, anyhow, when you go with this, I have taken sale of asset account. I think 102 I have taken. Right. Okay, nothing wrong. So here I am maintaining some symmetry here. No, sale of asset account. Okay. Alright, this is sale of asset account. So there's importance for sale of asset account that let us see. So this is other income. Group is other income. P&L account only. Sale of asset account. Sale of asset account. Here I can take 01 also. Here while creating the GL account, you sale of asset account. Here parameters also you need to remember. Sale of asset account. Okay, here I have created with the 300 102 profit and loss account, line item display, sort key 001, create bank public interest tab, field status group is G052, fixed asset retirement. So this is very important. G052 you have to choose. That's why I'm stopping here. So what is G052? Account for fixed asset retirement. Right, this you have to specifically remember. In case if you have taken a printout of the notes whatever I have sent to you, there you put a star, means it shows the importance. Why I am taking 052, accounts for fixed asset retirement. So this also I'll tell you once we go for the retirement. Retirement means asset retirement. Generally we call it as sale of asset is called retirement. Retirement of an asset. Right? Okay. Now save it. Then 400, sorry, 300 111. 300 111. 300 111 is profit on sale of asset or gain on sale of asset. Is also other income. Other income. P&L account. Sale of, not sale of asset. Here this is profit on sale of asset. 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 Here nothing difference. Item display you can take G001 you can take. So nothing special in this. So this is nothing but profit on sale of asset. So what are the profit that we are going to get? Right, that will be posted to this account. Once we create all these GL accounts, there is a next is the Hercules task. The very big task is assignment of GL accounts with asset accounting. Right? That is a that you need to go through. That is a bit typical step. Now, loss on scrapping of asset. Loss on scrapping of asset. When you are going to get a loss, that is when you scrap an asset after the end of its useful life. So the loss whatever we get, we want to post to this account. Next is loss on sale of assets. In case if you are going to get loss on the sale of asset, that should be posted to. So anyhow, loss or profit. Loss is given 400, profit is given. So whenever we sell an asset, right, at the time we may get loss or profit. So if loss, I should post to this account. Loss on scrapping goes to this. So GL account is 400, 310. Okay. 400, 310 means it comes under administrative expenses only. Right, P&L account, because that is loss on scrapping of asset. Loss on scrap of asset. So loss on scrapping of asset. Line item display 18. So when we get loss on scrapping of the asset, because what happens, so once the asset life is over, if you are scrapping it, right, we have to post to that account. You may say that we may get profit also. See, we may get the money when you sell the scrap. So generally what we do is that what are the plant and machinery that is there, anything that is scrapped, they will not sell immediately. All the assets that are scrapped will be thrown into a backyard of the company, and okay, once in 6 months or once in a year we'll call some vendors, those who buy the old iron, etc. Right, the scrap of material, everything that will be collected and that will be sold at a time. But until then, at this juncture, it is only loss. Right. Now, what is the next account? Loss on sale of asset. 311. 400. 310. Sorry. Loss on sale of asset. So because when we sell it, loss on sale of asset. So we may get loss or profit. Right. So we have created loss on, this is sale of asset account, profit on sale of asset, loss on scrapping of asset, loss on sale of asset. Right. So whenever we get any loss on sale, we post here. Loss on scrapping, we post here. Profit, it will be posted here. And sale of asset account, nothing but that will be used for the purpose of retirement of an asset. So that the importance of this we'll see later. So now the next topic is next step rather. Now whatever the GL account that we have created, right? All these things we need to integrate with asset accounting. In fact, this is a big step, right? Integration with general ledger accounting. Here we have to do it, right? So up to yesterday, I have already forwarded the material. Only yesterday's I have to send it. That's all. Now, yeah, even yesterday also I have sent it. So today only I have to send it. Let me check. Yeah, I think yesterday's I have to send it. Right, yesterday and today, both I'll send it today itself, right? So asset accounting when compared to